Subscribe to our channel for new update and press the bell icon.
Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Tutoring Planet. Our today's topic is National Unity Day. 10 lines in English. National Unity Day is celebrated in India on 31st October. National Unity Day is popularly known as Rashtriya Ekta Divas. It was introduced by the Government of India in 2014. The day is celebrated to mark the birth anniversary of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, the Iron Man of India, is also considered the architect of modern India. Government of India organized various programs like campaigns to create public awareness on the occasion of National Unity Day. Patriotic programs are organized in schools, colleges, and workplaces across the country on the occasion of this day. The Government of India inaugurated the Statue of Unity on this day in 2018. Sardar Patel has always vision for a Shrestha Bharat. The best way to celebrate National Unity Day is to be united. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such videos.